Yo, what's cracking, Thrill Billies? Welcome back to another video. Now today's mostly a truck video. We're gonna go check on the K20 and the El Camino. But first things first, yesterday's video was the big 100+ birds pigeon shoot. And I asked you guys in the video, if you guys can guess exactly how many birds we had in that pile, I would give you and send you some free new Outlaw merch, which if you guys don't know yet, all the Outlaw merch, the new Thrill Billy merch is out now for 72 hours only. Check out outlawmerch.com if you didn't win right now. But I did find the winner, and the very first person to comment the birds was actually like within the first 10 minutes of the video. It was 146 birds we got. Now I know a lot of you guys counted and you guys paused and counted all the birds, and you guys, a lot of you said 145. But you were missing one bird, ladies and gentlemen, and that was the white pigeon. That was the white pigeon, that was the extra bird, so it's 146 altogether. And the winner is Justin Norman. So congratulations, Justin. I'm gonna message you right now. If you haven't seen my message yet, I need your email address so I can get your address. So send it over to me, baby. But for right now, we're out. We're gonna go check out the K20 and see how the cage is doing. Let's go. All right, guys, so what we're doing right now is going and looking at the K20. I think I brought some spray paint to paint the top of the cage. He said that he got the most of the cage done. He just needs to get the top of it painted so we can throw it in. So we're gonna see what we can do on that, but he said that there is some type of problem already with this build that I'm not really looking forward to, but there might be a solution. So we're just pulling up now, so we'll see what happens. Brought some merch for Baja Billy.
Oh, nice, man. I'm all greasy
orange.
and shit. Sweet. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
No problem, dude. All right. Sweet, dude.
You give all the feedback you want, man. Whatever you want, whatever you're looking for. Hope you like it.
Well,
It's definitely gonna be strong as heck, you know.
I think it sucks, man.
Huh?
I don't like it, dude.
Okay. Tear it apart.
I like it, man.
Yeah.
So right now, this is the top of the cage, and what is going to happen is this, you know, the holes were cut obviously right here and stuff, so that's going to be tied into the frame.
I've got the dash bar made. There
Okay.
is gonna be a bar. Goes right along parallel with the stock dash. It comes right here, and that just helps with side support. You can hang gauges from there or whatever.
Yep.
That's not in because just lowering it and re-welding the top, and if you want to paint it.
Right.
Then I'm gonna run some bars along the side. They'll tie that in also with the strength of the frame, but
Okay.
those will also be the seat mount bars.
Gotcha.
So basically I have a piece that's gonna go across here.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna put two more bars across here and here.
Okay.
And that's what those PRPs are gonna mount to.
Sick.
Tie the harness into here. We'll also have the harness tie-in on this side will probably be onto this as well. That's kind of where we're at now, figuring out height on seat, where you want to sit in relation to the steering wheel.
Looks clean.
Yeah.
I like it.
Cool.
These new racing seats I got, finally getting them mounted up in there once this cage is done. Basically just gonna make it all one piece. It'll be sweet.
So that's flat, but under 1 3/4, I'm thinking about sitting about this high.
Because those already sit pretty low.
Yeah, and you can see how deep they are.
Yeah.
So you'll sit down in there, but I would like the shoulder harness to come out right about at
Right
that
there, yeah.
tube, and then that gives you plenty of head clearance too. Got plenty of support in there. It's gonna be plenty strong, and then if you want to add anything else, you know, you can always do that. Down at your feet are the frame tie-ins. You can see how beefy they are. They're actually thicker. Those rectangles are gonna be
these guys right here.
yeah,
Look at that.
thicker than the frame. So
Sheesh.
yeah, you'll tear that frame apart before you tear the cage apart.
That's sick, man. And so we ran into some problems with the gas tank, eh?
Yeah, there's a few routes to go there. I mean,
So if we come onto the other side, we can see.
We're at a point right now, we could make the tank that was in there, which I have right out here, work. But it's just weird because I would have to bring a frame tie-in all the way out to here to pass the tank, and then that would tie in, you know, to the mount, the frame to the cage.
Right.
I don't know.
Yeah, the stock tank sits right here, and it kind of gets in the way. But you had a good idea on taking a gas tank from Blazer
Yeah.
and basically mounting it up in the back
underneath
the bed, and then that would be gone.
The option for keeping it right here would be, I would tie into the frame here, and I'd have to bring a piece way out here, and then that would go to this tube. It kind of takes away the strength of the cage.
Right.
Not totally. I mean, since it's interior cage, you roll the truck, it's not like it's gonna fall apart. It's just, I don't know. It's up to you. And I wouldn't shy away from putting a fuel cell in the bed either. I mean, you can kind of make a little wall to maybe guard the radiator's gonna get just as much mud back there as the fuel cell.
Yeah, yeah.
Now here's something too I've seen where they've taken, not like a Rubbermaid, but a really good toolbox in the bed, hidden toolbox, and they put the fuel cell in there. So then you're all covered up, you got a lid, it's all sealed from weather.
How hard, I mean, it would be pretty easy to run a fuel cell in here with those lines just running through the bed, right?
It would be.
You probably just, you don't even need to cut, dude. There's so much rust back there. You can just...
The advantage to having the fuel cell is when you run a remote fuel pump, they tell you have it as close to the fuel cell as possible and below the source of the outgoing of the fuel. So what's neat about that, you can have a fuel cell up there and have the pump hidden on the frame,
right?
And it's going to be working great there because it's getting plenty of pressure.
Right. Yeah, I'd say let's just go with the fuel cell option.
So we got a buddy named Josh. He owns a company called Van Chase.
Okay.
He makes these custom hot rod shifters.
That would be sweet.
Yeah, he's heading over right now, but he won't be here for about half hour.
He's got another one that's a real gnarly looking dude. With
that thing is freaking cool.
Yeah, he's got a website and everything. Van Chase. He's on Instagram. Van Chase.
Van Chase. So if you guys ever want to go get a sweet shifter, check those out. Van Chase. Look them up on Google. I'm sure they'll pop up somewhere. Feels good too.
Yeah. Yeah. Here's that torque converter though. Here's that 3200.
Oh, sweet. Big boy.
Yep. It'll launch like nobody's business.
So instead of going with, what was it, a 2600 or 22 stall?
22, yeah.
2200 stall, we're going with 36 B&M. Big thing. So it'll jump right up.
Okay. Now it's all you. You can just kind of feel, is it too close? Or does that feel good?
That's about what it was before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With that bench.
But I mean, the eye line's perfect.
Yeah. That's real good in relation to the cage.
Yeah.
If you just feel like you can see over the dash.
Yeah, I mean, it could be like maybe a tad higher, but.
A little bit higher?
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
Hell yeah. Yeah,
we need to weld into the big ass.
So you just hold on there. Yep.
So how do I get out of here?
I don't know. That's the tough part. Okay. Cool, man. Well, I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
And if you think of anything, just give me a holler, you know, you want to add on or whatever.
Yes, sir. We'll see you guys in a bit, I reckon. And we're back home. Okay. Welcome to my basement. You guys ain't been down here in a while, I reckon. I wanted to talk to you guys about this really quick because I don't know if you guys are interested in this stuff or not, but so here in my basement, it has, since I bought it, it's been completely unfinished and everything like that. So now we're in the process of framing the basement up and basically have a whole plan on everything that we're gonna do. Luckily, my dad's a contractor and him teaching me on building things since I was a wee little freaking lad, we're able to do it kind of ourselves and do it for pretty cheap, knowing what we're doing. So that's kind of cool. So we've got one bedroom. I don't know if you guys are interested in this or not, just let me know. Maybe I'll give you guys updated in the process because I think this basement's gonna be pretty cool. But I guess I'll show you around really quick. By the way, we're spitting in that Hell Rider mud jug today. The Hell Rider, boy. Look at that. Yeah, mudjug.com, you can get you that. So this is the stairs to upstairs. Eventually this is gonna be carpet, super nice, new light fixture, all that. You're gonna come down here, you're gonna be right here. So there's gonna be 2 doors to this way, and this is gonna be completely open where you guys are. So first things first, there's so much crap everywhere. The reason we're down here right now is I've gotta move all this stuff into a crawl space and move some of it outside because this is what's getting framed next. But it's gonna be like an L-shaped doorway here. So this is gonna go here, and then it's gonna go that way. Door there, door here. This is gonna be the bathroom. It's gonna have a full-size shower, everything like that. And then this door here will be for storage, and we'll go around to the water heater and the furnace. And the furnace is actually getting switched around, flipped this way, and kind of tightened up a little bit because it's taking a lot of room over there where another room's gonna be. But then this is, all just gonna be framed up here. This is gonna be my bar, which I cannot wait for because this is what I've wanted forever, a super sweet bar. And I think it's kind of cool because we've got this wall going up back here. We've got this beam right here that has to stay. So what we're gonna do is wrap it in a wood that looks cool. And then we're gonna put display lighting on the back here going towards the wall, in which my dad and I are gonna build shelves for some old whiskey bottles and stuff that I have, which I think will be really cool. The bar will come out from the wall to about here, and then we're gonna do like a cool stone or wood top. I don't know, there's a lot of options around here. This will be kind of the living area, TV, couches, hangout room. The bathroom originally from who I bought it from was supposed to go here, I guess, but we're gonna be able to cap those concrete over it, and then those are going in there. So these will be gone in a couple days. This is the biggest guest room right here. This is gonna be the cameraman room, I reckon. You got the windows, you got your closet right there. You'll be able to fit a queen bed. And obviously down here, we gotta move around this concrete here, so we're gonna build like a little lip, like a little bench lip, which would be kind of cool. Doorway. These are getting taken out, these sliders here, and we're gonna put in French doors, which I think will look really good. And we'll have a nice little hallway here. And then this right here will be another room. It's gonna be a little bit smaller than that guy. Once that furnace gets moved around, then there's gonna be the closet right there on the back side of the bathroom, and then just a little bit here. And we'll have like a nice barn door look for the crawl space, and it'll just be another room. Helps the equity of the house. And so that'll be 2 bedrooms down here, a living area, a bar, and a bathroom, and storage. And then there's gonna be some more storage right here. We're gonna do like just a little closet underneath. So yeah, if you guys wanna see some more updates on this, you know, we're gonna be working on it the next couple weeks. I've gotta leave for Vegas tomorrow, but if you guys want more updates, just let me know in the comments below. We'll do some construction vlogs if you guys are down for it. The next thing I think is framing up that stuff. That's why we need to get all that stuff moved into that room. And then it's basically on to just picking out carpet, and we're gonna carpet pretty much everything but the bathroom down here and the bar. So I think it should be tits, man. Let me know if you guys wanna see more. All right, y'all, I reckon that's gonna do it for today. I apologize for not being very myself today, but I am super exhausted from yesterday and all that went down. It was a long day, so I hope you guys are digging these Live to Thrill videos we've been uploading. I think we've uploaded every day this week, so I hope you guys have been enjoying that. Make sure to hit subscribe if you ain't yet. And also give this sumbitch a thumbs up, because that definitely freaking helps us, man. A lot of people have been asking why I've been uploading so much on this channel and not Outlaw, and I think maybe tomorrow I will do a video and clarify, tomorrow or the next day. I'll do a video and clarify why I've been doing that and stuff. But I appreciate you guys watching, man. Don't forget the new merch is up. Congrats to that kid at the beginning of the video. I forget his freaking name. Do you remember?
No, it's right
just
here.
put it right here. Yeah, just put it right there. Congrats to that kid. Hopefully he sends me his address and we can get his stuff out. And for the rest of you guys, thank you guys so much. A bunch of you guys have already ordered this stuff, the new Thrillbilly merch. Remember, it's only available for 72 hours, so get it while you can. It's gonna stop, I think, Monday at like 2 Eastern, right? 72 hours, guys. Get it while you freaking can. I love you, Thrillbillies, and I reckon we'll see ya on the dip side. Live to thrill. Holler.